Hey, I'm meteorologist Pete Mangione. We're going to have to keep this brief because we have some things going on here in the new studio. So let's get right to it. All right, first of all, what a wet year it's been, right? Also a wet month, also a wet season. For this month, for November, we are just shy of the wettest November on record. The record is 11.01 inches. So far this month, 10.57 inches. For the season, which in meteorological terms is actually September, October, and November. So for those months so far, we're at 24.43 inches, the all-time record for the season, 25.26. And look at this, for the year, we're not even that far away, and we have a few more months to go, so we'll see about that. As far as the month and the season goes, we would need to get about 0.4 of an inch by tomorrow evening to eclipse the month total, and to get over the season all-time record, we would need about 0.8 inches, and that probably will not happen tomorrow evening, of course. Tomorrow, the last day of the month. We might get some rain or snow showers, so we will probably end up as number 2 for the month and the season, but no doubt it's been a wet one. All right, so let's talk about more rain. Why not, right? There's been so much rain lately, why not bring in more? Well, fortunately for the weekends, this is actually going to arrive late Saturday night. In fact, I'm going to back this up for just a second. Actually, it looks like I can't do that, so I will just tell you what's going to happen with this. This probably doesn't start until after 9 or 10 p.m. on Saturday night, and I'm talking about the rain, so I think most of your Saturday, even early Saturday evening is rain-free, but overnight into Sunday morning, that's when most of the rain will fall. You can see this is around 8 o'clock in the morning, and then into the afternoon, you will notice a few showers potentially lingering into Sunday afternoon, but I think we get most of them out of the way in the morning. So that is kind of the story for now. Not looking at a total washout on Sunday, but it's not looking like the best day in the world either. But that could change. Even a change by a few hours could have a big impact to what you're trying to do on Sunday. Winds, not too concerned about that right now. It doesn't look like as windy as maybe the system for last week, but we'll also update you on that. Have a good day.